Welcome to Vegan Methods. Today I'm making Turkish vegan meatballs which are called Mercimek Köftesi. So to make these healthy vegan meatballs we need 1 cup of red lentils, 1.5 cups of bulgur, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a pinch of sugar, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes or chili flakes, 1 bunch of green onions, 1 large bunch of Italian parsley, a tablespoon of olive oil and some lemon juice. We're also going to use the lemons and some lettuce for serving. So the first stage is to wash the lentils until the water that's coming out is nice and clear, and then we're going to add that to the 4 cups of water, pop the lid on and bring to the boil. After about 10 minutes the lentils are starting to fall apart, so they are cooked, and now we can add in the spices, and we're also going to stir in the tomato puree. Once the puree is stirred in, we're going to take the pan off the heat and add in the bulgur. The bulgur will soak up any of the remaining liquid while it is cooling. After the mixture has cooled down enough, I'm going to transfer it to another bowl, and then I'm going to add in the parsley, the spring onions and the lemon and oil mixture. Now we just need to knead everything into the mixture to make sure that each bite has some parsley and some spring onion. And then we're going to form these into little torpedo shapes and put to the side, ready to go on the serving plate. And that is pretty much it. It's a very simple recipe, but it's got such a delicious taste. When you serve this, you'll serve it on a lettuce leaf with one of the kebabs and a squirt of lemon juice. These also keep in the fridge perfectly and improve in flavour over time. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe and leave comments below.